This yoga presentation is going to give you an overview of the basics of yoga for the beginner. Yoga clothes. You want your yoga clothes to be comfortable and of course look great. Choose easy to care for clothes, ones that can be washed and dried quickly. Purchase clothes made of a breathable material and one that keeps the sweat away from your body. Shopping online for yoga clothes is an easy way to see what is popular. Many places have fast and free shipping today. Yoga for beginners. Yoga is a journey of the mind and body. The word yoga actually means to join together. Yoga is great for stress and is beneficial for all of your muscle groups. The benefits of yoga. It's great for overall fitness, helps people lose weight quickly, teaches you how to overcome your bad eating habits, and is very therapeutic and increases your self-confidence level. There are many different kinds of yoga poses. A yoga class should last 30 minutes. You'll do standing postures which help with aches and pains. Seating postures are very calming. Reclining postures are normally done towards the end of the yoga class. And forward bends help your lower back problems. Balancing postures help develop strength and muscle control. There are actually 9 styles of yoga. Hatha yoga is the most popular in the Western world. Raja yoga is very popular and known as the yoga of the mind. Other types of yoga allow you to learn and develop your mind by using meditation techniques. Benefits for women. Yoga is a good stress reliever, helps pregnant women, helps with menopausal symptoms, and is an excellent tool to use when losing weight. Why you should start yoga. As you can see, there are many benefits to yoga, from losing just a few pounds to helping you cope with the effects of daily life. Yoga classes are available in your local area, or you can purchase a yoga DVD and start performing yoga at home today.